Q&A session.
Hi Chandika, I'm Malik. So
Yeah, Malik.
actually I'm completely from finance sector. So
Okay.
my question is from person from finance. So would it be this course valuable enough, or how to catch up some vast, the technical areas?
Yeah.
So as you said, I agreed that I came here to enhance my knowledge. So that's why there are some areas which I'm not familiar with. So
Yeah, definitely.
how do you going to manage people like us?
Yeah. Actually, in the 2 years of period, always we have like you guys. So especially I should then more than 70 or 80% of the students are coming from the management. Why? Let's say AI, data science, business analytics are highly connected with now management field, right? So I'm also coming from management, so I will tell you my story later. Therefore, most of our professional learners came from the management. Sometimes marketing managers, marketing executive like you guys, my financial and accounting field, and HR and operational. So sometimes inventory controllers and financial controllers. That is the audience we have actually. So currently we have more than 1,000 student base, right? More than 80 students we have passed out to the complete certificate students, right? So then I think we have enough experience to teach you like you, right? So that's why I told you in the initial introduction part as well. We know that you don't have any prior knowledge. So, but only thing is, my only request is what? Try to join live sessions. Then only we can resolve your problem same time. And in the other side, you also you have a possibility to ask any questions in the same time and clarify yours. Yes, right. That is the only thing you should give us. Then we will give us then rest of the part. Don't worry.
Thanks, Chandika. Chandika, another question. So this knowledge as a finance person, how could I apply for my organization? So I can understand that financial analytics, other parts I could apply. So if you can brief me a little, so then that would much apply.
Yeah, so actually you are looking for Power BI course or data science course, Malik?
Actually Power BI.
Right, so then it's very simple. So let's say, as I show you in the example as well, so I'm not very good in finance, I should tell you. So you are the professional one. So then, but anyway, let's say, so if you want to handle some investment portfolio, so you should get some investment idea, you should analyze future trends, and you want to get some based on your historical data, you want to see some forecasting and all, then there are some options to handle. If you have enough data, then you can do it, right? So in other side, let's say you want to minimize some costing and you should invest some more money to any other different investment portfolio again, right? So then you have opportunities, then you have opportunity cost and all, then you should select best investment options in your segment, like let's say like that kind of thing. So you can find it very sharply, very accurately, right? Using this forecasting and all. In the other side, you can visualize your data and like, let's say example. So let me show you this diagram. Then here, let's say this consultation income reports, right? And then here have some valid data points to take few decisions, right? So let's say your success rate is what? 47.99. Then your failure rate is what then? More than 50%. Then you can get some insight, right? Okay, then you can start, okay, what happened to us? Then why more than 50, that 50% plus customers we are lose? Why? What the reasons? Then you can get another analysis. Then analysis by analysis you can analyze and you can find the problem, and then you can give some good answer to management or yourself. If you are a CEO manager, then you can find the solutions. Then you can avoid those all the disruptions to your organization growth, right? So I think it's very important. Any one, and the finance segment sector as well.
Thanks, Chandika. That's all good.
Yeah. Any questions?
Mr. Chandika, I'm Darshana. I'm again from finance background.
Yes, Ashana.
Yeah. If you are doing both the courses, what would be the benefits for me? Actually, if I'm interested in doing both.
Yeah. So then, first thing is, then I should tell you what is the differences between these two courses, right? Then Power BI with SQL course, the Power BI is already ready-made tool, right? So then you can learn databases knowledge and you can use some ready-made tool to develop your future insights, right? So your existing knowledge. But the data science course is different, totally different, right? Totally different means then you can get some analysis plus analytics. So let me explain you what is analysis and what is analytics. Then clearly you can understand what is Power BI course, what is data science course. So analysis mean, very clear, analysis mean, let's say you have 10 years of data, right? So you are getting some analysis, you can find some insight what happened in the past 10 years, and today we have faced some situations like previously I mentioned you, right? So more than 50% of the client we have lost. Then you can see end result is here. So then this is the insight. This is the analysis actually. Then Power BI, you can show you what happened. That is actually historical information. It's not showing you what will happen in the future. Power BI is not the tool to do that one, right? But now Power BI has some capacity to do the forecasting. That's why I show you. I told you Power BI is already developed tool. This is ready-made tool. This is actually, this forecasting may be wrong, right? This is not actually correct. But that is the actually analysis. That is the actually business intelligence knowledge. Business intelligence means you can find what happened in the past. That is based on the historical data, right? But think about the data science. That is analytics, right? Analytics mean you are finding about the future, not the past, right? The data science is supposed to find the future, right? If you are a finance manager or marketing manager or let's say any CEO, anyone, so you should know what happened in the past and what will happen in the future. Both sides you should know, right? Accurately. Then in the business analytics knowledge, business intelligence knowledge, like Power BI tools, you can get very good insight about what happened in the last 10 years. That is past knowledge. Then if you can learn about the data science, okay, then past 10 years, based on the past 10 years data, you can see accurate future of the organization. That is a major part. So then BI explain you about analysis. Data science explain you about analytics. That means analysis mean past, analytics mean future, right? So then that's why I'm coming you to explain you these two courses very clearly, kind of thing. Then in the data science course, you can see the syllabus and I show you the some case study as well, some problem as well, right? So here you can see Panda, NumPy and Pandas what? Those are libraries. So then yourself you can develop, not the ready-made one. That's an important thing. You are learning about the Python, you are learning about the Panda, NumPy and Pandas. So yourself customize one you are developing. Then always it is up to date. And if you want to customize or if you want to change it, quickly you can do it by why? You have that knowledge, right? You have that capacity and capabilities. Then you can grow your knowledge and you can enhance your career growth very quickly, right? like let's say organization එකේ කේන්දරේ බලන මිනිස්සු වුණොත් what happened? You are the horoscope man, right? In the organization. Why? You know about data science, right? So it's very nice, right? I think you got the answer.
Yeah, Mr. Santiago, very clearly. It's very clear, precise. And I have another question. So, what's the category? If let's say I'm going to choose data science course, then what is this category? Beginner level, intermediate?
This is beginner level course. This is actually beginner to intermediate level course. So we are starting from this installation. That's why I told you this is then no knowledge required, right? No prior knowledge required. So you can come with the zero knowledge. But only thing is what? You should dedicate 2 hours of period, maximum 2 hours of period per week.
Janika, how about this final project goes? How about the time period? What should be?
So yeah, normally we are giving 2 months, right? So because you have some busy schedule, then we are giving 2 months of period. So then within 2 months of periods, you can submit that one. No problem. Not 2 weeks, right? So we are asking give us up within 2 weeks, 3 weeks, right? So we are giving some reasonable time to you. Don't worry.